papakababa namin sa inyo, Lord. Tumalapit po sa iyo. Nihilig po namin ang sama sa amin. Bawat isa po sa amin. Tingnan po namin. Tinatalaga po namin, pinagkakatiwala po namin ng buhay sa inyo sa inyo. Salamat po sa inyo. Ilan tayo. Sa tulong tayo. Yung pananatibon, tulong yung tayo po sa bawat isa. At panitawang kalakasan na aming hinihiling sa inyo. At ang aming buhay para sa iyo pagpurihan lamang. Dahil kayo po aming Diyos, kayo po aming Lord. At Panginoon, pinagpapala din po namin, Lord, at aming kapatid na araw sa araw ng Lord. At maraming tumulong sa agang buhay. Pinagpalang buhay ang Diyos. Let your angels pagkay sa buhay. Marinig po na po by the blood of our Lord Jesus. Kaya salamat po. Pinipuri namin, pinapasalamatan. Aming pagkakalimutan ng pagkakalimutan. Ang sabi ko namin, alam po na magmamahal sa ito sa namin. Amen. Happy birthday, G. Happy. Ano ba naman yan?
Hindi na alam kung matutuwa siya o maasar eh.
Mamaya na, mamaya.
Para niya pinatupag na yun dahil muna kami, kaya nun, hindi ka rin pa.
Ingat kayo ha. Bukas nas tayo. Ano lang ha? Huwag ka lalagpas ng sandaan ha.
Renta lang, renta.
Ayun.
Oy, basta mamaya dito na lang.
Kita-kita tayo sa mata ha.
Basta dito, ball ka ha. Kain. Kain muna tayo. Tara na!
May susi ng downtown, dala nyo ba? Ah, boss.
Ba't doon kami ano?
Oo, mapagpalit ka ng profile picture eh. Yun! Ito na pala yung key holder ng ano eh. Birds eh.
Ano pa ka nagigising eh?
Ano? Release
sorry.
talaga yun.
Okay lang.
Kapag may tandang ano na.
Let's go!
Morning, good morning! Kasi unad?
Wala pa.
Idol, boss specialize.
What's up, friend?
Very sa cycles. Na-violate ang pagkababae ko. Sorry naman na siya. Si Kyra.
Dami rin naman.
Oo.
Tiri-tiri niya pinag-ibigay yung
Kararahan sila oh. Parang ang saya doon sa ano yun, no? Sa Mayon 360, no? Oo, sa atin yun. Ultra gravel. May bago na naman yan, di ba? May bago na ulit, ultra gravel.
Kaso kailangan, ang gamit mo na computer, yung may mapa,
Oo.
hindi pwedeng wala. Unless may salpak mo yung cellphone mo.
Oo, doon ka mag-base talaga. Yan silang bibigay sa yung ano.
Dadaan ka na dadaan pala.
I-load mo sa mismo sa ano, computer mo. Ha? Oo. Anong oras na pasok ko, ganun lagi. Sanay na, kaya nga balot na balot ako eh. Hey guys, why you racing ha? Yo, why you racing?
Prewell dito na, no? Prewell lang.
Only Prewell ha?
Prewell.
Only Prewell my friend ha? No racing. Let's go Karot! No racing. No, my friend.
Happy birthday to you.
I think Brian is there, no? Brian is the key holder of the Burj Khalifa, no? Ano yan? Ano sabi mo?
Yeah, happy birthday, bye. Happy birthday.
Ano yung kanta no sa ano? Happy birthday!
Anong kanta ba?
Ginawa kong video kaya ano? Kay G.
Yung happy birthday,
Oo.
birthday mo.
Hindi kumakain no? Ay, yung Indiano yung kumakanta. Hindi mo yata napanood nyo kay Kapitano ko lang yata napakasa.
Layo naman sa kapan natin.
Layo ka.
Shout out. Wala lang.
Shout out Pinoy Peddlers. Bukas ha. Paramdam kayo ha. So racing my friend. Ano nilang kikitain? Salud dyan. Ako salud. My friend!
Ano?
You said no come. Why you come first? Are you racing?
Patricia.
Miss you, Pat. You always racing. You said no come, no? I will talk to this guy, no? Good morning, my friend.
Good morning.
You said you will no come, no? You no come.
Coming.
No, you coming?
No
you go
coming.
first? You racing?
Yeah.
What?
No, listen to the birthday.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Kay Master Jun yun eh.
Ano all? Jun, birthday ko next month. Happy birthday, Jun! Sabi mo walang July, kaya August na.
Sabi mo na, skip na yung August.
Skip na yung July, tapos.
Bakit? Wala.
Tumabi ka daw!
Ayan na.
Hello!
Na-pre-over mga kasamaan natin kaya napakabihib nila, napakabihib. Dapat pala ganun.
Lagi ni
Nagdasaan mo na sila.
Sana may morning prayer lagi,
Oo.
no?
Para maging behave. Di ba pala mamaya pag-uwi? Siguro yung 23 kanina maging 46. Pag-uwi.
Tingnan natin kung hanggang saan yung visa. Ano? Matarinig ko yung pangalan ko.
Baka naging hotseat mo siya.
Depende.
Anong masasabi mo?
Anong masabi mo sa birthday mo? Happy EP? Tuloy lang ang laban kahit mag-away. Kahit magsabong. Nasa inyo pa rin ang pusta. Ayun ang music ko, narinig mo na ba yan? subtitle tong ano ko, video ko. Ano ba naman subtitle? Kasi makakabo na ng tugtog eh.
Somebody lovely, and now I'm ready like a kitty in a dress. Don't call me mean, I just want someone to love me, someone to lick my wounds and kiss my aching body. My desperation knows no termination, baby. Now would you love me if I was somebody else? Wish I had a tail, wish I had a tail. Cause if I did, then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. If I had a tail, if I had a tail. Yeah, if I did, then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. I would swing it to the beat of being over, and everyone be jealous of my touch. I just wanna be the one that makes you true. No, I'd be a super duper cool, not a smoother little puss. Wish I had a tail, wish I had a tail. Cause if I did, then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. If I had a tail, if I had a tail. Yeah, if I did, then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. Now don't call me mean, I just want someone to love me, someone to lick my wounds and kiss my aching body. My desperation knows no termination, baby. Now would you love me if I was somebody else? Wish I had a tail, wish I had a tail. Cause if I did, then I would swing.
Pwede pa kasi oh.
If I had a tail, if I had a tail.
Ang yabang, may preno na.
If I did, then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. Wish I had a
Ang
tail,
yabang, may preno na.
wish I had
Tumatayo na, mga padyak, tumatayo pa.
Cause if I did, then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. If I had a tail,
At hindi ba may mga libro mo?
if I did, then I would
Yung mga libro mo, hindi mo dapat. Swimsuit? Buti lang ang swimsuit.
I think we have done it all. She knows me in and out, love a different kind, but we still have no control. Cause when the daylight comes, we're just good friends, baby, good friends, hanging on. When the daylight comes, we're just good
Wala naman
friends,
pa, masalpot-salpot.
like lovers.
Alam mo, overtake eh. Parang ibon na rin pa. O, tabi. Isenya sa kanan naman, hindi kita tabi. Patayin mo natin, Ben.
No, we don't like to talk. We're not so
Morning.
good for words. That's why we don't get that far. But she still reads my mind, so we can follow through. Always let our bodies talk. Cause when the daylight comes, we're just good friends, baby, good friends, hanging on. When the daylight comes, we're just good friends, like lovers. On the weekend.
Mga Kandidato ka ba? At mama ka talaga?
Will we end just like this? Will we find home? Or will we stay just like this? 'Cause when the day I comes, we're just good friends, baby, good friends, hanging on. When the daylight comes, we're just good friends, like lovers. On the weekend, on the weekend.
Stay over.
Would that be cool? Butterflies in my stomach, butterflies in my chest. Heartbeat like a bird that's humming. Trust your words 'cause you don't need best. Let's take a walk down a brick road. Click your heels and you'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here for it if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be saying, yeah, can I dance for you? Would that be?
Dito kami ngayon sa downtown.
Can I dance for you?
Lakas ng kotse.
Would that be cool?
Yeesh.
Yeah, beautiful girls are coming, funny girls are real soon. I don't say these words often, loving you has left me weak. But let's take a walk down a brick road, click your heels and we'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here for it if it's for you. Once my
Import.
body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be
Yung mga import, nagpapahuli talaga yan.
can I dance for
Sarap na kwento niya.
Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Oh, every heart in the world is looking for a partner. Many fish in the sea, but there's one I've just had done.
Nababa agad ah.
I'm not afraid to tell the world only white shoes.
Sa bagay, may nagpipikit
Baby,
pa.
it's you. Oh, can I dance for you? Hey, would that be cool?
Si Ate Josie, dala yung libro niya eh.
Can I dance for you?
Mabigat daw.
Would that be cool? I don't get like this, but I kinda miss your attention, your attention, your attention. Can I dance for you?
Oh, gitna ako.
26, 27.
Diretso ko tubigan. Diretso ko tubigan muna. Kabayan! Ano yung kabayan? Ay, bawal yan ah.
In my soul, we're free and never get old. Such a fine place to be. It's finally getting clear. There's nothing I can do without your love.
Boys, boys!
Distance to the end. No use trying to hide. In any kind of weather, I'll be by your side. Every sea we play, next to the writing on the wall. Now we take the fall. Nothing left at all. In my heart, in my soul, we're free and never get old. Such a fine place to be. It's finally getting clear to me. There's nothing I can do without your love. Your love, baby. Always, always. Wild and free in my heart and in my soul. One more step and I lose control. There's nothing I can do without your love. In my heart, in my soul, we're free, never get old. Such a fine place to be. It's finally getting clear to me. There's nothing I can do without your love, baby. Always, wild and free in my heart and in my soul. One more step and lose control. There's nothing I can do without your love. Walk through the fire, the sound of a lion. I found my way back in the end. Baby, I've fallen for you and the way you make me feel. Don't need to pretend that I'm somebody else. With you I can't be myself. That sure is something else. Can we stay for a while until the fire's burn out? It's a shimmering night, setting is right. Did you know that? I wanna hear you say, oh, you got me falling. Did you know that?
ganda ng vibes, para nasa probinsya.
I
Manananggal.
just morning with friends 'cause I felt the tension in your room. Caught in emotion on every occasion. Left you in hours of until the fires burn out. It's a shimmering light, setting is right.
Kaya pupunta dito. May train pala dito.
Did you know that I wanna hear you say, oh, you got me falling. Did you know that without you I'll fade away? Oh, I never meant to start a fire. As I said, you got me falling. You will always be my reason to stay. You got me falling. Did you know that I wanna hear you say, oh, you got me falling. Did you know that without you I'll fade away? Oh, you got me falling. Did you know that I wanna hear you say, oh, you got me falling. Did you know that without you I'll fade away? Making moves, trying to get away from this life I'm living. Same old things every day, wanna change this feeling. Wasting no more time, don't care about what you're saying. Try to keep me down, no time for all your playing. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, right now, right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. All we had were those memories, time to make some new ones. Sun is up, I'm wide awake, we're not getting younger. If you still love me, then please just let me go. I won't stay with you, I need to live my own life. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. Yeah, I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, right now, right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah.
Pucha, nabidyoan ka pa tuloy. Hindi ako marunong sumayaw. Siya yung sinasayawan. Bike wash mo na yan. 50 lang. Ano pa malapag? Ha? Ano interior? Ito good na.
Brian! 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 Sasawa ka mo yung cake mo.
Switch! Switch!
You have to wear it. Happy birthday.
Switch mo na! Switch!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ano lang tayo? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Brian, nasa yung light mo?
Walang kamatayang sabaw.
Ayan lang talaga!
Yan lang lang pinupunta ko rito yung sabaw.
Walang pamamit!
Bangay. Akala mo ha? Akala mo, may bakal tayo ha?
Parang sa'yo yan mo, walang sabaw sa'yo. Happy birthday to you. Brian!
Birthday to you! Birthday to you!
Brian!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Brian, nasa yung ano mo? Kaya kasahin mo to, Ken.
Para sa kanya na to.
Balik!
Okay, kanta muna tayo.
Mamaya na ito yung isang na sticker!
Okay. Picture niya siya. Picture na siya. Oh. Picture mo na siya. Saan yung camera mo? Asan yung cellphone mo?
Nasaan na kaya? Nandito.
Di ba nandito si Brian na ano? Si Brian, picture mo na siya.
Akit kayo sa taas ha?
Sige na.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10!
12, 13, 14,
Pwede na mag-porn good!
15, 18. 500 last.
Alam mo lang kapitan na
Last. Yerman, pwede na mag-porn gold.
Pwede na mag-porn good!
Pwede na mag-porn gold. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Happy na!
Ano ba sasabi ko yun?
Makakabuo ulit sila. Ay, makakabuo.
Thank you sa inyo lahat na nandito. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Ria! Thank you, Ria, sa pagtulong!
Saray.
Ay, Jackie Chan ka, wala!
Magalit ka Happy birthday. Happy
Jackie Chan, kasal daw.
Saan? Pabalik pa kami saan?
Picture na tayo!
Tabul ka!
Picture tayo, kuya. Birthday girl. Picture muna daw tayo. Guys, Dan. Ate Josie, picture muna tayo. Group picture. Then, let's go na. Wala pala si Kuya Ano ay, si Kuya Ano. Tapos ano ba yan?
Sino ko eh?
Picture tayo.
Mas mata.
Oh,
Shout out, Kapitana.
Ang tanong, anong klase ng socks ba?
Ay, dinalig ko ha.
Sana, malapit ang birthday ko!
Yes, ha?
Honey cake!
Hoy, balik na po rin po.
susukan nyo. Take out mo lang. Sabi ba yung plastic? Halo-halo. Dapat nagkikwento ka na. Kumakain kayo. Oh, bata pa kayo ha. Ingat kayo. Bata pa kayo.
Hindi na pagdating ito, matanda na kayo.
Oh.
Matanda na kayo. Matanda na to.
Oh.
Ikaw si Greg sumakay doon. Dati na.
Mahilig lang sa bata.
Sige, tama. Sige. Sayang to, di nagamit. Sana lahat kami may ganito eh. Kaso,
Dapat pala binigay mo sa akin kahapon yan eh.
Pahito lang umuulan eh. Kahigaan eh.
Lahat na binigay niya sa akin kahapon yan. Nagpunta siya doon sa shop eh. Ay, pagkain. Oo na. Required to, required. Halutin mo ako. Iwagan ang iyong pagmamahal. Ano ba ito, kaldereta? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Shout out, shout out.
Wala pa na magbabalot dyan.
Hoy, kuha na kayo sa baba.
Ito hindi na ano sa ako. Ang buwalang na gano'n. Yung mga magbabaon.
Ano, buti talaga naisip ako tatawagan.
Marami. Nung sabi ko nga, kita tayo sa Bulga.
Sabi nga, pabalik na kami.
Kita tayo sa Bulga. Nag-isip ko ba? Ano bang meron?